Hi students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and I hope you all are studying also at home. So students, today we are going to start our 14th chapter of GK, that is Fairy Fables. Please open your books on page number 22, Fairy Fables. Students, do you know the meaning of fairy? Well, fairy means a small imaginary being of small human form that has magical powers. And do you know the meaning of fables? Fable means a short story that teaches a lesson or conveys a moral. Students, fables are generally written for children. Fables are closely associated with fairy tales. Fables are very short, simple, and written in direct language. The characters of a fairy fables may be animals, plants, and creatures. So, fairy fables are short stories which teaches us a moral lesson. I'll tell you about some of the most famous fables. Like for example, the fable of Fox and the Grapes, the fable of the Lion and the Mouse, the fable of Fox and the Crow, the fable of Cinderella, the fable of Sleeping Beauty, the fable of Beauty and the Beast, the fable of Hansel and Gretel, and the fable of Snow White. Students, there are a lot more fairy fables that you might have heard of. Sometimes when you feel like listening to stories, you might have asked your mother or your parents to tell you about fairy stories. These fairy stories are your fairy fables. Okay, now I'll give you short summaries of some of the fairy fables. Now open your page number 22. Your first question is based on the story of Snow White. So, I will tell you a brief summary of Snow White's story. In the story of Snow White is best known for her beauty. She is not only beautiful, she is also kind, hardworking, generous, and very optimistic. When the evil queen, that is her stepmother, when the evil queen asks the magic mirror who the fairest of them all was, the magic mirror told her that Snow White was the fairest of them all. When the evil queen ordered the woodsman to kill Snow White, he failed because Snow White saw the goodness in him. Later, the queen discovers that Snow White is still alive and hiding in a cottage with 7 little dwarfs. Snow White believed that deep inside the woodsman is capable of kindness. Snow White was right. There is goodness in each and every one of us. So, the moral of this fable is, beauty is not what you look like, but who you are. I repeat again, beauty is not what you look like, but who you are. Now students, our second question is based on the story of Red Cloak with a Hood. In this fairy tale, there was a little girl who lived in the forest named Little Red Riding Hood. The name of the girl was Little Red Riding Hood. She heard that her grandmother was not feeling well, so she decided to visit her grandmother. A bad wolf found about this and decided to break into the grandmother's house. The bad wolf put on the clothes of her grandmother and hid the grandmother in the closet. The wolf then waited for the little girl to show up. so he could trick her into giving him the treats. When the little girl came over, the wolf pretended to be the grandmother. The wolf exposed his true identity, and as he was about to eat her, a woodsman showed up to come and rescue her. The wolf ran away and the grandmother came out of the closet. So, the moral of the story is we should always be careful in whom we trust and we should not talk to strangers.